What's up, YouTube? It's me, Rashad, and today I'm in Miami with the Ocean Squad. What's up, y'all? And we're about to do a wave check. All right, I'm gonna go first just because, you know. You already know. Oh, damn.
No.
You know? Oh, damn. That messed up all the dramatic effects. People be commenting like, why they take it off so slow? Man, you gotta build the suspense. I wish I had my brush on these. Who's that?
Man, I haven't got the rag though, but I'm bad for no reason, man. That's the last one.
I see you, man.
Okay.
Fresh cut today.
You ready for this?
Some crazy shit now. Y'all be careful, don't drown on me now. Y'all be good. That's how you lock in. Blessed Waves in the building, man. You already know how we rocking, man.
Hey, he in the lead.
I need them brushes.
Who next? Y'all scared? The grand prize winner will receive 3 3WP brushes. And this velvet durag.
Oh, yes. We'll go right now. I got 2. Man, he ain't playing.
Alright, I see him. You gotta keep your back thicker so it can curl up. Yeah. Alright. I know that was yeah. I see you, little man. Are y'all scared to go now? Ocean Squad out here, wave check. He is not playing. Hey, he in the lead. Hey, y'all two in the lead right now. How long you been waving?
I mean, I've been waving since 2015, but I've been on and off.
All right, all right. Who next? Oh, they don't want to go after you. They was like, I can't go after that. He came out of nowhere. 360waveprocess.com. All right, all right.
My good stuff. Hey, look, this time I just started.
You just started?
Everybody just started.
Hey. All right, all right. Oh, they nervous now. Nobody want to come out no more. They was like, I ain't gonna win. I ain't even no ragged. Come on, bro.
I'm a new waiver. Hold on.
you been waving, bro?
Like 6 months, 6 months.
2 days?
No, one day.
I just started yesterday. Let's go, bro. He like. Whoa. Hold on, the camera didn't see.
Why?
All right.
That's a tsunami.
Yeah, man. You in there? Ooh. Show the camera. All right. All right, all right. You got some progress in there? That crown locked in. Who next? We can't record it here?
No, sir.
All right. Go ahead, the last one. All right, we about to leave right now.
Not the last one. We're done.
Yeah, we're about to leave right now. Look at the top of his head. They trying to stop the wave check.
He mad because we spinning.
They trying to stop the wave check, y'all, so we're gonna have to finish it downstairs. We'll be all right.
We've been sitting up there for like, I can't believe we've been sitting up there for hours. I thought it was a joke, bro. I was like,
That's gonna make
All
the
right.
video even better. Don't even
Fast. Huh? All right. So we in location number 2. Ooh. He wasn't playing. Okay. You're right. You're right.
I said damn near maybe it's
Okay, okay. The pattern in there. All right. I didn't see his waves yet. All right, all right. What's good, man? Man. Hey, hold up. Don't play with him. Don't play with him. He brought the brush out.
gotta pull the brush out, you know?
All right, all right. Hey, you ready? They in there. All right. You already on red?
Yeah.
Why you put it back on?
Oh, wait. Okay, let me take it off. Let me take it off again then.
It's your turn, bro.
Hey, I'm 2 months in, so.
He said too much. All right. The last person right here.
Nah, you got two right here.
Oh, man, right here.
Y'all go. Okay.
You want to see the waves?
I know he nice. I know he nice, man.
Yeah. You got sunlight now, dude.
Come on, let's get it. Okay. He just threw it on the green. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, he's spinning. This is gonna be a tough. judgment to pick a winner.
WP, baby.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, don't block the side.
Yeah. All right. Who said they was going next? All right, step right here. You can.
Got a little something.
Step out to the light over here. All right, we see you, bro. We see you. How many people left? Is that everybody? Yeah. Quit playing with him. Hold his 3WP brush and his 3WP do-rag and his water.
Ready?
Quit playing with him. Adidas. Quit playing with him. Quit playing with him. Whoa! Spinning. I see you, man. I see you. Is that everybody? Oh, it's one more. He said he gonna let everybody get out the way before he take the W. Okay. All right. That's everybody, right? He's spinning. All right, so it was a couple people that I remember that was really killing it. If you think your waves is deserving to win, all right, step right here. Step right here on this line right here. If you think you deserve to win. There's one line right here. If you know like you still got some work to go, then stay with the rest, right? All right, so these are the only people that feel like they deserve to win?
Oh, I'm sorry.
All right. I'm gonna check your weights. You got some work to do on the sides, little man. So maybe next wave check. All right. So I'm gonna get you back over here. Okay. You are spinning though, but you got some work to do. Spinning. All right, I see y'all. In order to win, you're gonna need a full 360. In order to win, you need full 360s. Or 540s. You just need a connection that go all the way around. You also need a locked-in crown. Well, you don't need to, but your crown got to be good. Whoa. Why you looking at crown now? I thought it was good. Whoa, he's spinning right here. All right. So I'm gonna need you to take a step forward. You can take a step forward too.
Like this line, right?
He is killing it. Take a step forward. Crown. Did I tell you to step forward? You can step forward. All right, step next to them over there. All right, so the reason why I asked y'all to step forward is because y'all waves is killing. The shine is good, the pattern is locked in. Now, it's difficult because y'all got different hair textures. So what they told me on YouTube, they was like, you should pick, They were saying that I should like have a different winner for different hair textures.
Ooh, I like that.
And since there's so many waivers out here today, it's only fair that I could pick a winner with straight hair, you know, the last wave check, it was only one straight hair waver out there. So your hair texture different than all theirs. So
Like a medium, man.
I say you the straight hair waver winner.
All right, bet. Appreciate it.
All right.
Hey, my name Blessed Waves on Instagram. Y'all go follow me, check me out. That's it. That's all I gotta say.
All right. Show the pattern real quick.
This is March 2nd, 2018. My birthday.
You whooping right now?
I'm with him right now. Yeah. It's pretty long.
All right. All right.
You can see like.
Yeah.
Wave.
All right. I appreciate you for coming out. I got three 3WP brushes for you.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it.
Now, coarse hair winner. Man. Step in here. Step in here. Yeah, step right there. You good, bro? All right, all right. Man. You the medium hair waver winner, bro.
All right,
gang, gang.
Shout out to Derek 101 Full. Shout out to RV Shot. Shout out to Frankenstein HD.
Shout out.
Hey there.
All right. All right, it's out of y'all three now. He's showing off the progress right there.
Man, that's hard work. Hard work and dedication. Come on.
That crown is crucial.
Got it locked in.
Okay. This is difficult. This is difficult. Hey, I need the crowd to decide on this one. So let the crowd see your waves. All right, I'm gonna start from over here. If you think he deserved to win, make some noise. If you think he deserved to win, make some noise. If you think NASA shirt deserved to win, make some noise. The crowd has decided. You're the coarse hair winner of this wave check.
Yeah, Smack Daniel on Rice.
Congratulations.
Smack Daniel on Rice at Gmail.
How I feel?
Feel great. I knew I was gonna win from Corsair. It got spinning. I'm the only 540 out here. I hit like 360. Come on now. Yeah, I tried different patterns.
All right, y'all. I appreciate y'all for coming out to the wave check. I got some brushes for the winners.